what's up everyone, it's Dave and we're back with our next video in regards to our solar light that we have. And I'm going to go into an installation video today, so I'll try and make this as visible as possible. So I've got this pole, I've got 3 sections of this pole that I'm going to take, and I'm going to try and attach it to this pole. I believe that'll be what works best for us. So I've got our lamp here, and then I've got these 2 bolts that I've got to take out. Now they're they've got threaded on the nut is on the back side, held into the housing there, so you can see that. So obviously it would come out if allowed to. So I got one of them out. Put that there. Go ahead and get the other one out. And what we're doing here is, because I'm going to go with a pole type mount, so we've got to set this up a little bit differently, right? Alright, so we've got this bracket off here on the top, so that's here. So now I'm going to reposition our camera and show you a little bit more what we're doing. Alright, so we're back. We've got our lamp here, I've got the pole, and then I've got the screws. Now it came with these additional bolts here as well. I might be able to use these. Gotta double check here. Might be able to use those. We'll see. So, alright, what I gotta do now is I've got to put this bracket onto here like such. That way it's takes the place of the old one, and then we'll mount this onto here and whatever angle that we need to. That way it'll grip the pole. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's see if I go this way, and we'll go this way. Alright, so make sure that your nuts don't fall out, and get this started in here. There we go. And the only tool that I'm having to use for this so far is just my crescent wrench to tighten those up once I get them where I need them to. There we go. Get that started in there. It's pretty nice because that plastic holds the nut for you. That way you don't have to worry about that too much. Alright, so now I've got this bracket on here, so I'm just going to tighten this up. And you don't want to tighten it too tight, just because remember it's plastic that's holding that in. Alright, cool. So there's that. We got that done. Alright, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use these bolts or not, but we'll see what's up. So I've got my pole here. And then, so this is going to go here, and then this is going to come around here like this, right? So, and then that will allow me to put that in there and bolt it down. So I just got to see if these bolts are long enough. And it's kind of a, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of a weird bolt. I think this is for anchoring it into Yeah, pretty sure that's for anchoring it into like concrete or whatever. However, I think we're going to be good. I think that's going to be long enough to reach. So yeah, awesome. All right, I'm going to reposition again. 1 second. All right, so we're back. So here again, I got this tilted up like this. I've got my pole and I've got the other bracket. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this started. Make sure that's not going to come through on the back side. I wish I had one more washer, but I don't, so we'll use this for now. And again, we're just going to get that started. So anyways, we're going to flip this over, run this through here, and get that started on this side here. So I do have one flat washer and one lock washer. So go ahead and get that started here. Maybe. Alright. Flat washer, lock washer. There we go. Alright, so I've got my lamp. I'm going to push it towards the top of this so that it grabs good on there. Alright, this is how I'll be mounting it, top of this. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down a little bit. Here again, I'm not going to go too tight on it for a couple of reasons. Number one, I don't have the additional washer that I would really like to have. And number two, this is a plastic pipe, so it's not metal. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I apologize for the last one, but sorry. So hang on 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, so here's how I have it mounted currently. So you can see I've got the bracket, the pipe bracket, and here it's angled up so that if there is any rain on it, obviously the rain drains off of it. There's your lights with your power button right there. Obviously it hasn't had any sun in it, but so we're gonna set this up, let it get some sun, and I'll show you how and where I put it. So we'll be back in just a minute. Alright, so this next part that I'm going to show you, I'm not going to talk in it at all because we're going to be standing outside next to a generator that's running with an AC unit. So you're not going to be able to hear me talk even if I wanted to. So so yeah, the next piece, hang tight, I'll show you where I've got it. It's up about a little over 8 feet, probably, roughly, just about. And it'll be coming out the back door of my tent so that I don't trip and break my neck at nighttime. All right, so here we go. Alright, so that concludes our install video of the solar street lamp that we have. And if you didn't see the unboxing of it, make sure that you check out the unboxing video. I'll put a link to it up here in one of these corners, wherever it pops up at. But so once again, super excited to see how this thing works. I'm thankful for this opportunity that the company has given me to unbox, install, and review their product. So thanks so much. I hope you guys liked it. I apologize for the noise. I wish I had a better place to film this, but I'm not at home and I'm not going to be there for a little while. So I wanted to do this company, I wanted to do them right by reviewing their product as fast as possible. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And here again, I'm going to let it work. I'll probably be about a week maybe before I do a review video on it, because I want to give it some a fair shake and see how it does. But here again, sunlight's not an issue where I currently am, so it should perform very, very well. But we'll see. Here again, they asked me to do an honest review, so an honest review is exactly what I'm going to give them. So we'll see how it all turns out. All right, thanks so much for watching from Location X. As always, God bless.
When light keeps falling and wonder where he is in all this mess, he's right there to guide you, unseen. You're